Most people don't really know how to brush their teeth. Here I'm going to illustrate on this model how you can brush your teeth correctly. The correct technique depends on whether you have an electric toothbrush or a manual one. You have to make sure that the toothbrush bristles touch the line between the tooth and gums. This line here. Brushing with a manual toothbrush. Be gentle and use vibrating and circular motions. Make sure that you touch the line between the tooth and gums. Remember to brush every surface of the tooth. Do not brush aggressively, as this can damage your teeth and gums. Brushing with an electric toothbrush. There are different types of electric toothbrushes. Here I will demonstrate with a round electric toothbrush head. With an electric toothbrush, you have to focus on one tooth at a time and brush every surface. Again, ensure the bristles touch the line between the tooth and gums. With an electric toothbrush, you have to simply place it on the tooth and angle it. It's that simple. How to floss correctly. To floss correctly, slide the floss gently between your teeth. Push it against one tooth and move it out. Then slide it back between the same teeth, push it against the other tooth and move it out again. Repeat this process for all the spaces between your teeth.